Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Gmail not showing attachment problem. So if you are having trouble with Gmail not showing attachment, here are some steps to resolve these two. First of all, you have to refresh the app or browser. If you are using your Gmail app, you have to first of all refresh it or sync it, and you can completely close it and then reopen it app. For the web browser, you have to refresh the page. Also, you have to ensure that you have a stable internet connection available on your device. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. For the Gmail app, you have to long press on the Gmail app here and just go for the eye icon. And once you are here, you have to tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache. If needed, you can tap on the clear data, which may log out you from your Gmail. Ensure you are using the latest version of your Gmail app. Open the Google Play Store and seek for the So after that, you have to search for the Gmail. Once you have searched for the Gmail here, if there is any update available for this app, you have to tap on the update option here, and you have to update the Gmail app. Also, sometimes email with attachment can end up in spam or promotion folder. You have to just go for your Gmail and you have to open up your Gmail here. So once you have opened up your Gmail, you have to go for the top left corner of the screen, which is known as hamburger option or three line option. Just tap on that. After that, you can scroll down and you can see the spam folder or the promotion folder here. So sometimes email with attachment can end up here. You can see that. After that, you can reinstall the Gmail app. You can uninstall the Gmail app and then reinstall it from your Google Play Store. If none of this step work, you can consider reaching out to the Google support for further assistance. By following this step, you will be able to resolve the issues with your Gmail not showing attachment. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.